Hello, Rhonda. I hope you are well. I just got in town from Greensboro, North Carolina, where I was working with some leadership teams from schools. And I know you've been super busy with your EC students and with everything that's going on. I completely understand. It's okay. So I'm going to kind of walk you through all the steps of adding the Linoit, the image to the Linoit. And if you need any additional help on some in the future, please do not hesitate to contact me. I do not mind doing this. It takes me 5 seconds. So once you decide on a picture and you save it to your computer, the one thing that we want to keep in mind is that we have to have it as a JPEG file, which is or also known as a JPEG file. And this is really just going to make sure that the Linoit can read what kind of file image you have. So it should have downloaded from Flickr in a JPEG, but I'm just going to make sure we're just going to walk through this step real quick. So to change this or to check what it is, you can see the JPG on the top of the file name, but you can also just open your image, click Save As, and it will pop up as the type of file, so it'll say format or type. And you can save it as multiple different things, so it might be something else. So if it's like a PNG, which is very common, or a TIFF, that's fine. But we really want to save it as a JPEG because that's really going to ensure that everything is going to be working properly. So find your image, click Save As, and go to the file format. And that should be somewhere at the bottom of the save screen, and click JPEG and then click Save. And if it's not a JPEG, it will replace it or add a new one. So once we have that set and we've decided on an image, we go to the Linoit, and I'm going to find some clear space. So actually press and hold, and I can move my board around. Okay, I'm going to add one right here. So once I've decided, I click on the image, and so it's going to bring just this little screen. Click Browse, and now I'm going to find the image that I saved in a JPEG file. Double click. It's going to pop up right here, and then we're going to click Frame because we want to add a comment. So that's where we add our reflection, and once that's done, all you have to do is add your name and click Post. And that's going to add it to the Linoit board. And if you want to delete it, all you have to do is click the little check mark, and that will take your sticky note back off of the board. If you have any other questions, or if that's still not working for you, please let me know. I'm going to find a way to help you. So just let me know, try this out, and if there was a step that wasn't clear in the instructions, please let me know where the instructions weren't really clear, because that's something that I need to use for future participants. Again, your team is the first one to go through this course, so if there's something that I need to update or clarify, that's something I really need to know. So if you want to send me an email explaining maybe where I lost you in the instructions, or something that didn't quite convey enough information to you, etc. Whatever you want to explain, that's, it's up to you. No pressure, you don't have to. But if you have any further questions, or if it's still not working for you, I can see what else I can do. Just let me know. Give this a try, and then let me know. And I hope that you have a great rest of the week, and try to find some time to relax this weekend. Bye.